Hello everyone, this is CG and today I'm going to show you how to make a Cajun shrimp and mushroom pasta. This recipe is so easy to make, so let me show you how. I'm going to start with mixing our Cajun seasonings. So in a bowl, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of oregano. I have here 1 tablespoon of sweet basil, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and we have some more. 1 tablespoon of onion granules, half a teaspoon ground black pepper, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper powder, and I have here 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, and half a teaspoon of brown sugar. Then simply stir all the seasonings together until it's well combined. Then here's our shrimp. It's all been washed, it's all been cleaned, and then you want to season it with 2 teaspoons of our homemade Cajun seasoning. In your skillet, just melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we're gonna add our shrimps, and then we're gonna be cooking it for 3 to 5 minutes or until the shrimp is cooked throughout. Then I'm gonna sprinkle some more of that Cajun seasoning that we make earlier. Then once our shrimps are cooked, just remove it from the pan and set aside. We don't want to overcook our shrimps. I'm gonna be using the same pan, and I'm just gonna add around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And once again, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of our Cajun seasoning into the pan. Right now, I'm making the sauce for the pasta, and I love garlic on my pasta, so I will be adding 4 cloves of minced garlic. We have 1 medium minced onions. Then once our aromatics are cooked, we can add our sliced button mushrooms. So I'm about to cook our pasta, and I'm going to use a whole grain linguine pasta, and this recipe will make around 3 to 4 servings. So let's go back to our pasta sauce. Guys, you can add 2 scoops of sour cream, but you can use any other cooking cream that you have at home. And of course, we have to add cheese. So I have cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. It's almost done. And here, I'm just chopping some parsley. And I will add it to our sauce. And then after that, last but not the least is our pasta. I hope that you enjoy watching my video. And I hope you learned something from it. So ready to serve na tayo? Thanks everyone for watching. And I hope to see you all soon. Bye for now!